of the students is based on the time that they're allowed to speak. Now, reading a book will give you free practice that your teachers didn't give you. Okay, the same, and even better. So it will give you experience. Now, the experience will increase your speaking stamina. Okay, 5 minutes, and then you have to raise your hand to speak, right? And that's what's happening in Vietnam, just like in the Philippines, just like in many Asian. I don't know, in Iraq, perhaps you're also practicing that, right? So you have to you have to raise your hand to speak, right?
Mhm.
Now that's the problem. So the amount of experience of the students is based on the time that they're allowed to speak. Now, reading a book will give you free practice that your teachers didn't give you. Okay, the same, and even better. So it will give you experience. Now, the experience will increase your speaking stamina. Now, if in school you are if in school you are used to only speaking in 5 minutes, here's what happens when, okay, on the street you see someone like, hey, hello, and then the person speaks English. Your stamina is only worth 5 minutes. Okay, because it feels weird for you to speak more because you're used to 5 minutes, right? That's why after 5 minutes or less than 5 minutes, you say bye bye, bye bye. See you later. See you next time. Okay. Now, if you're used to speaking 1 hour and with a speaking stamina for 1 hour, they can they they can speak all they want, right? Okay, let's have more chat. Come on, come on. Okay, but that's why young people of Vietnam increase your speaking stamina. Very important for you in order to support your English skill, because your English skill cannot stand on its own. You need soft skills to use the language.
I actually really like your tip from in another way as well. I think it will not only increase the stamina, but it will get them out of their comfort zone while they are speaking.
Exactly.
I think you have much more experience with that than me. But most people, I notice that they don't speak English because they don't want to get out of their comfort zone. So getting yourself early on from your comfort zone, it will make it easier to talk. Uh, is that
Yeah,
something that
early. Yeah,
basically?
early the better. And that's why, Abdullah, come on, be a coach, be a coach. I I encourage you. Are you a coach now? Maybe you're a coach now. I don't know your
Uh,
background.
Actually, I'm a consultant
You're
more than a
console,
coach.
so you're doing it. Very much doing it. So yeah, it's very important, Abdullah, that speaking is stamina. And that's why my speaking stamina training is not only for students, it's for executives, it's for CEOs, it's for engineers, it's for scientists, it's for everyone who has to get used to speak at at I mean longer, that longer length. So very important. Speaking is stamina, and you mentioned about going out of the comfort zone. That's very much a part of it, Abdullah. Spot on.
Okay, thank you so much. Actually,
You're
we
welcome.
really enjoyed your sharing today, and we really
You're welcome.
appreciate your time and sharing. And we hope that we'll get more chances to work and talk in the future. Uh,
Anytime, Abdullah.
it
Lingo.
was a great session with you.
You're welcome.
Yes.
Well,
Uh,
I'm enjoying myself. I want more time.